So let's see how some of my favorite stocks are doing. So this is my watch list. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see watch lists, markets, and so forth. And I've tapped on watch list. And so the things that are on my watch list are Tesla, SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF. I got VGT, which is the Vanguard Information Tech. I think it's Information Technology. Yeah, Vanguard Info Techno. Okay, so that's one of my favorites, and that's one of my more recent favorites. So let's just take a look at a few of them. If you look in the far right column, you'll see that some of the items are in red, or the font is in red at the bottom of the price. Those are pre-market prices, and it's just showing that things are down coming into pre-market. Okay, the prices are down. So starting with, let me see, first is Tesla. So Tesla stock last sold at $846.35, but now pre-market it's selling for $864.45, which is an $18.10 increase. So when the market opens today at 9:30, that price is going to start out at $864.45. Okay, so Tesla is increasing as of this moment. Things change so rapidly right now. And then we have SPY, which is part of the S&P 500, an ETF. Okay, and so which is a fund, electronically traded fund. So it closed at $441.95, and according to pre-market, it's down $441.79. So it's down about 16 cents, which is not that bad. Hopefully it'll do good today. Then we go to VGT. As I stated, it's doing better. It's closed at 409.84, and we won't know until about 9:30. We don't have a pre-market price on this fund. So it seems to be a good one, though, to invest in. If you look at the chart, you look at the chart and you see over the past 5 days, it's done pretty good. And over the past year, this is what it's done over the past year. It's gone from being about, let me see, $374, $370, all the way up to where it is now, which is $409.84. Over the past 5 years, it went from about $130 to where it is now, which is $409.84. So over the past 5 years, this particular fund has done really well. Okay, what type of fund is it? I'm going to click on fund, then I'm going to click on profile. It's a Vanguard informational fund. I'm going to click on profile, little arrow right here, and it shows that it is a medium low risk fund. It shows the benchmark there and just gives you a little information about it. This investment seeks to track the performance of a benchmark index. And so there's a little more information here. Its advisor company is Vanguard Investments Australia. Okay, and custodian is State Street Bank and Trust. Then it gives the name of the manager there. Okay, and then if we go over here, go back, we'll see the asset allocation shows the top 10 holdings is Apple and so forth. And they're all listed there. I don't have to read them to you. And so then you'll see the performance by clicking on performance. And so you can see how it's doing here. Okay. So this is a great fund to invest in. According to what I see here, I'm going to click on comments. So it's 50% bullish and 50% bearish according to these commenters, not necessarily not necessarily analysts, just commenters. So here's a few of the comments here. All right, and these are just people like you and me just making comments. All right, and then here's a little bit of news, not necessarily associated with VGT. And then options, I don't deal with options because I don't know enough about them to deal with options. And then back to the chart for the 5-year chart. So this is a little bit about VGT. And like I said, this is one of my more recent favorites. VOO is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF electronically traded fund. Over 5 years, it's done pretty well. Today, it seems to be going down. It closed at $406.26 on Friday, and pre-market it's down to $406.05. It could do better. It may even do better today. Just have to keep an eye on it. Like I said, these are some of my favorites, and I'm not going to go through all of them, but I did go through the VGT. Another good one is the VTI. VTI closed at $222.09. And we will see what it does. We don't have a pre-market price on this one, so we'll just keep an eye on it, or I'll just keep an eye on it. And then as you look here, you'll see some of my other interests, Roblox and Sony and Dutch Brothers and Ford. A lot of these here at the bottom are doing pretty good. Matterport seem to be doing pretty good. Matterport closed at $8.51. Pre-market is $8.76. And I go back here and look at Metaverse. Metaverse closed at $12.31. And pre-market is $12.49. Then we go here and we look at Unisys. Unisys doesn't give a pre-market price, but it closed at $17.38. And if you look at what the analysts say about it, they say it's a strong buy. So I definitely buy Unisys. And then we go down. And let me see what else we have here. Roblox. So Roblox closed at $58.18. Pre-market, it's $59.05. So we'll see how it does today. The analysts say what? It underperforms, hold, buy, strong buy. Commenters say, what do they say? Here we go, balloon ride. Where's the double bottom on daily? Going to run up next week. Get ready. So it's bullish. It's just showing bullish here. It's number 65 on the popularity list. And the news concerning Roblox gains but lags market. That was 2 days ago. 13 hours ago, PC video gaming sees record spending engagement in 2021. Okay, and then back to the chart. 5-year chart on it. Oh, wow, 5-year chart is not looking good at all, but I expect it to do good in the future. But past performance doesn't prove that it's going to do anything, that it's going to do good at all. But we'll just keep an eye on it. And those are some of my favorites. I appreciate you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you next time.